Should you buy crypto when you hear news or a special news event, or should you do something different? Today we're going to talk about news and whether that affects the price of Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins, anything that you're trading. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well today. We're going to talk about about news and whether you should use the news when you trade crypto, buy crypto, whether you should use news events or things that you read on websites or Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, and should that help you decide whether you should buy or sell crypto, Bitcoin. All right. I'm in Serbia today. Today we're in Serbia. I'm going to show you some sites at the end. I'll post some videos and talk a little bit about our day today, but I want to talk first about news events and crypto. But before that, let's talk about the price of Bitcoin really quick, because I think a lot of you are curious about Bitcoin and where it's headed. So we're just above 95,000 right now when I just looked at the charts just before this video, and we're kind of breaking down that 95.3, 95.4 level, 95K level. And it does look like we have potential, as I talked about yesterday, to visit some lower levels, although this is FOMC week. So you're going to see wide fluctuations, and especially when we get into the FOMC news event. If you don't know what FOMC is, that is basically when Powell gets up and they decide about interest rates. That's basically what it is. We're going to cut rates, we're going to keep them the same, or we're going to raise interest rates. And the whole world sits on pins and needles on what Fed Chair Powell says, and markets will go up and markets will go down. And there's a lot of funny business that happens with that. So be really careful on trading on FOMC days, because many times you'll see false pumps up, false pumps down, and a lot of people get wrecked. So usually those kind of days are not good days for trading. But that leads me to my topic that I want to talk about today, and that is news events. Should you make your decisions on buying and selling crypto on news events? And the answer is absolutely not. Now, news events, things like the tariffs, things like interest rates, those things can help influence the behaviors and what people do, what traders do, what investors do, but you don't want to trade on any one specific news event. You want to use the news as a confluence to help you as you're looking at the charts and at your indicators and see where momentum is going and where the price probabilities could be. That's how you use news events. You never just say, oh, hey, Trump's tariffs are coming, crypto's going to dump, so let's sell all of our crypto. And then instead, Bitcoin, pops up and catches you off guard and goes the opposite way. You never want to trade on news events, but you do use news in confluence with other factors, like I mentioned before. One of the mistakes I see is people will think that, for the last 2 years, 2.5, 3 years of now, people have said, oh, we're going to be in recession, the economy's going to be worse, Bitcoin's going to dump. When Bitcoin was at 15.5 and we were screaming from the rooftops, this is time to buy Bitcoin, guys, at 15.5 up to 16,000, 18,000. This is the time to get in. We're in the extreme buy zones. We're in the buy zones for Bitcoin. This is the time to go ahead and buy. Many people thought, no, it's going down lower. It's going to go to 10K. It's going to go to 5K. But really, it's the data in the charts that makes all the difference, not the news. And usually you want to do the opposite of the news. Now don't do that, because that can also get you wrecked as well. But you want to use the charts and to help you make those decisions. And where do you get these charts? Where do you get these indicators? Well, we offer these here in the Crypto Code. If you want to learn what we do and how we make our trading decisions, whether you want to be a day trader, whether you want to be a long-term swing trader, whether you want to follow our portfolio, you can head on over to the description of this video. We'll show you what we do, the charts that our students use, when to buy and when to sell crypto. There's a link in this description. You can register for the workshop, attend that workshop, take a short quiz at the end. We'll send you $10 in Bitcoin, and then you can decide what you want to do. And by the way, congratulations to our members of the Crypto Code who have been trading, taking our premium trade alerts. We are almost at a 93% win rate, which is truly astounding. It's amazing. We've worked really hard at this for the last 3+ years now. We've been doing our trade alerts, and we're at almost a 93% win rate. So congratulations to our students who are doing that. All right, so let's talk about, so the answer is no, don't trade on the news. Hope you guys got that down. Let me show you where I'm at right now, guys. This is Serbia, and we are just here for the day. Today we did a tour of a cathedral. We went to Old Town. We went to a mall. And saw this beautiful church. I'll put some links at the end of that. That was pretty amazing. We went into this old wine cellar that the Romans had built and that have been used in all of the different wars, different people. Those things really fascinate me. So here we go. I'll just kind of pan around so you guys can see this a little bit. I think we're going to be here till the evening, and then we take off for Croatia tomorrow. And we're going to meet one of our good friends who I've known for quite some time. There's the river there. Today's a Sunday. Lots of people out there today. Today was an interesting day. We went to this memorial for Tito, and I'm sorry, I don't know all my history, but it was his 45th anniversary for when Yugoslavia was Yugoslavia, and there was a lot of people there. It was a very, very interesting place to visit. So super nice people here. We're really impressed with everybody. This place, Belgrade, where we're at today, has been through a lot. Apparently it's been razed to the ground, leveled 45 times over history, so that's pretty crazy. But looks like things are up and coming, and we had a beautiful day today. Alrighty guys, hope you guys are doing well. I'll keep shooting a video every single day. We've got I think 18 more days or 17 more days here on this trip. Hope you guys are doing well. As always, take massive action in your business and in your life, anything you do. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.